Losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of a strict diet, intense exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. In this guide, we will outline effective methods and strategies to help you reach your weight loss target. From tailored dietary plans and exercise regimens to crucial lifestyle adjustments and practical tips, our approach is designed to help you achieve your goal efficiently while maintaining a focus on overall well-being. By following these guidelines, you can make significant progress toward your weight loss objective in a short time frame. Here is a plan to help you achieve this. Diet changes. Caloric deficit. Aim to consume 500 to 1,000 calories less than your daily maintenance level. This will help you lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week just from the calorie deficit. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting, where you eat within a specific window, for example, 16 to 8 method, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. This can help reduce overall calorie intake while allowing your body to burn stored fat. High-protein diet. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based proteins. Protein helps you feel full and preserves muscle mass. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if eaten in large quantities. Use smaller plates and be mindful of portion sizes, especially with high-calorie foods like nuts and oils. Low-carb diet. Reduce your intake of carbohydrates, especially refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and sugary foods. Instead, opt for whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Healthy fats include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in moderation. Hydration. Drink plenty of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. This helps with metabolism and reduces water retention. Meal planning. Eat small, frequent meals to keep your metabolism active. Include a balance of protein, carbs, and fats in each meal. Try to have your largest meal earlier in the day and a lighter dinner. Eating more calories earlier when you're more active can help burn them off more effectively. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol. These are high in calories and can slow down your weight loss progress. Exercise routine. Cardio exercises. Engage in high-intensity cardio exercises like running, cycling, swimming, or HIIT high-intensity interval training for 30 to 60 minutes daily. Cardio burns calories fast. Strength training. Incorporate weightlifting or resistance exercises 3 to 4 times a week to build muscle and increase metabolism. Active lifestyle. Stay active throughout the day. Take the stairs, walk more, and avoid sitting for long periods. Cardio intensity. Increase the intensity of your cardio workouts. For instance, alternate between steady-state cardio and bursts of high-intensity sprints or fast cycling. This not only burns more calories during the workout but also boosts your metabolism for hours afterward. Circuit training. Combine strength training with cardio in a circuit format. For example, perform a set of push-ups, followed by jumping jacks, then squats, and repeat. This keeps your heart rate up and maximizes calorie burn. Active recovery. On rest days, engage in light activities like walking, yoga, or stretching. This helps prevent muscle soreness and keeps your metabolism active without overtraining. Lifestyle adjustments. Sleep optimization. Improve sleep quality by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and minimizing exposure to screens before bed. Poor sleep can lead to increased hunger hormones and reduced willpower to stick to your diet and exercise plan. Stress reduction techniques. Engage in regular mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating, making it harder to lose weight. Social support. Share your goals with friends or join a weight loss group for accountability. Having support can keep you motivated and encouraged during tough times. Meal prep and planning. Plan and prepare your meals in advance to avoid unhealthy eating choices when you're hungry or pressed for time. Having healthy meals ready can prevent you from reaching for quick, high-calorie options. Supplementation if applicable. Protein supplements. Consider using protein shakes or bars to ensure you're getting enough protein without adding extra calories. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and can help with satiety. Green tea extract or caffeine. These can help boost metabolism and fat burning, but should be used cautiously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Fiber supplements. If you're not getting enough fiber from your diet, consider a supplement to help with digestion and fullness. Monitoring and adjustments. Daily weigh-ins. Weigh yourself at the same time each day, preferably in the morning after using the bathroom and before eating. This consistency helps you track true progress. Body measurements. Sometimes the scale doesn't tell the whole story. Measure your waist, hips, thighs, and arms to track inches lost, which can be more encouraging than focusing solely on weight. Adjust as needed. If you're not seeing the progress you want after a few days, evaluate your calorie intake, exercise intensity, and lifestyle factors. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Mental and emotional strategies. Mindful eating. Practice eating slowly and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions like TV or phones during meals to prevent overeating. Visualization and goal setting. Visualize your goal weight and how you'll feel once you reach it. Set small, daily goals to stay motivated and on track. Positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for sticking to your planned non-food rewards. This could be a new workout outfit, a massage, or a fun activity. Long-term considerations. Sustainability. While rapid weight loss can be achieved, it's crucial to transition to a more sustainable plan afterward to avoid regaining the weight. Gradually reintroduce healthy carbs and fats, maintain a balanced diet, and continue regular exercise. Mindset shift. Focus on adopting a healthy lifestyle rather than just the numbers on the scale. Emphasize overall well-being, fitness, and long-term health rather than short-term goals. Professional guidance. Personal trainer. Working with a personal trainer can ensure you're exercising effectively and safely, and they can customize your workout plan based on your progress. Dietitian or nutritionist. A dietitian can help you design a meal plan that fits your nutritional needs and weight loss goals while ensuring you're getting all necessary nutrients. Losing 10 pounds in 2 weeks is a challenging but achievable goal. With the right combination of dietary changes, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. By creating a significant caloric deficit through a balanced diet rich in protein, vegetables, and healthy fats, along with intense and varied exercise routines, you can effectively shed pounds quickly. Additionally, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and maintaining consistency are crucial for sustaining this rapid weight loss. However, it's important to recognize that rapid weight loss requires a disciplined approach and may not be sustainable in the long term. After achieving your goal, transitioning to a more balanced and sustainable lifestyle will help you maintain your weight loss and continue to improve your overall health. Always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any significant weight loss plan to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs.